So what we want to do in this recording is introduce you to a Launchpad. Most of you have probably seen the Jumpstart, which is introductory. Anything you might have learned there you can use in the Launchpad. As what you see on this screen, it looks like Jumpstart, and so that would be a normal thing you would see. So what we're going to do is add a third indicator. And we've added the third indicator, and it helps us to stay in a trend longer. So once you get in a trade, going up or going down, it helps you to stay in it rather than looking at the price movement, or you're looking at the momentum of the trade. Right here you can see the price started being a consolidation, a little bit of retracement, but the momentum of that move was still going up. So that's what this indicator helps you to do. Now we want to show you some of the things you're going to get with Launch. Why it's such a valuable tool for all traders. It has things in here that many people who have traded for a while will not even been exposed to. And so it's a good place to refresh and get up to speed on how this trading system works. And then you can move on to our next product, which is the nth degree. So let me show you what you're going to get. So one of the first things we show you how to do is how to demo trade. Many people have used a demo trading platform, but they're not sure how to demo trade most effectively. And how to work in multiple time frames. Many people just can use one time frame, but we show you how to use all the time frames to maximize your profits in spot trades, and how to take more profits per trade, and where to set your stop losses, how to identify trends, how to trade in the present and not look at the past trying to predict the future, how to spot breakout moves and how to trade them, how to trade a sideways market, get more additional entry and exit signals, how to deal with your emotions, greed, and your pocketbook, how to trade the news in relation to a trend, how to do money management, how many lots to trade on your account so you don't overtrade your account, when to start trading live, how to trade multiple signals like with indicators, time frames, how much information should you analyze, how to use the candlesticks and how they move, not the price movement but the patterns of the candlesticks. Learn new trading patterns, how to create a trade journal that works if you use it, how to get your trade journal sheets with instructions on how to use them, how to print out details of a trade, how to spot trading strengths and weaknesses, so then you can work on your strengths and lessen your weaknesses, and how to do all of the above things in a very small amount of time. Risk management, that's very critical. How to group your currency pairs to save you time in finding trades, how to make a trade plan and why, learn how to do visualization trading, learn how to trade by spending less time in front of the computer. So all these things are things that will be helpful to you and help you in your trading career. Now, along with the Launchpad, we provide an expert advisor. It's called the Norwood Stop, and what it's designed to do is when you don't have time to spend in front of your computer, rather than just setting a take profit and saying, well, I'll take 50 pips or I'll take 100 pips and then just let it go until it takes you out at that point, and it may not reach that point. So we provided a Norwood Stop that once a trade is positive, and here's the signal to enter a trade would be right in here, the Norwood Stop would take you out automatically right up here for 327 pips on a 30-minute time frame. And you wouldn't have to be there. You could be at work, you could be away from your computer, be sleeping, doing a lot of other things. On this trade right here, you would have gotten in here. The Norwood Stop would have taken you out for 156 pips. You wouldn't have gotten the full amount on that one, but at least you would have gotten a lot and not had to babysit it. So that comes free with the Launchpad, is the Norwood Stop. Now you can see I've added some red and blue arrows. These are alert signals, and we also have available that you can have access to and start using as part of your trading program, is called the Norwood Alert. And when you set it, and say you had we're just using the 4-hour, 1-hour, and 30-minute time frames, and only on 6 currency pairs, this is going to give you over 56 alerts a day. This is good. These are good alerts that'll give you a minimum of 20 pips profit. And so, for example, when the alert went off right here and took you out, that was the 315 pips. Right here, alert went off, and if you had put the Norwood stop on, it would give 145, or else if you'd followed it on through yourself, it'd been over 200 pips. So we teach you how to not take these signals, and you can make a few pips. This little short move right here was 64 pips. So you can see that the Norwood alert would help you to find more trades without having to sit in front of your computer. We want to talk about 3 time frames. So if we added the 15-minute time frame to that, then you'd have over 80 signals a day on 6 currency pairs that you would have that would have given you over 20 pips each one, and most of them many more than 20 pips. So we've just shown you the visual alert that you get, but you also get a sound that will come when you're sitting near your computer or someplace where you can hear your computer speakers. So you get the sound, and then there's a dialog box telling you which time frame and which signal, whether it's an up signal or a down signal, that was taking place, so you know right where to go to look to see if you want to take that trade or not. Now if you're away from your computer or where you can hear it, then you can either take an email, and if you can get back to your computer from an email quickly enough to make the trade, or a text message. Either of those signals you can get as well. So the Norwood alert is a very valuable tool to help you trade more with less effort, grow your account more quickly. So these are the advantages of signing up for the Launchpad, a whole list of things you're going to get, along with the Norwood stop and the Norwood alert. So hope you enjoy your use of the Launchpad, and look forward to talking with you and helping you grow in your trading career. Bye for now.